Okay, so I thought for today's video it would be fun to talk about sticker organization and my favorite way to organize stickers. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Julie of Julie's Plans, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite way to organize stickers. So I have been in the planner community for, quite some time, a hot minute, and I have organized my stickers in every way possible. I have done the accordion folder method. I have done, very large binders before. I have done everything like just a simple box and like throw them all in there. And one of the most popular ways is to use like a standard binder. I have my Krissyanne Designs binder here, just kind of as an example. This is like kind of being taken apart at the moment because the binder system, not Kristen's binders in particular, but the binder system is just no longer working for me. And so recently Planner Kate came out with her own disc organization system. She also has binders, so she offers a variety of ways, but for me the favorite way is to organize my stickers on discs. But let me tell you first why the binder system doesn't work for me. I have entirely too many things around me right now. First of all, for me, it's the different sizes of pages that it just does not work for, right? I do prefer my stickers. Like I said, this is a mess because I am reorganizing some stuff. So let me get that out of the way. I like all of my stickers to really be in one place. In a binder system, if you order Kristen stickers, with the binder ready option, they cannot go in document protectors. If you do just the sticker sheet without the binder ready option, you can put them in document protectors, but that's really the only way you're going to get all the pages to be the same width and height, kind of. So I just didn't like having different, like some stickers out of document protectors, other stickers in document protectors, and it really doesn't work well with different size stickers. Like this one, I don't have a place to put this. I would have to stick it in another sheet somewhere and then hope that I end up finding it. This could work for some people. It doesn't work with my brain, and it made it really hard to sort of rearrange stickers, right? Because you have to keep opening and closing the rings. I don't hate this method. It's just not my favorite currently, but every time, I swear every time a shop comes out with a binder option, I fall in love. So I have these two from Cricut Paper Co. Love her shop. She came out with a disc system as well with this beautiful like cover, almost like very Rae Dunn inspired. And I absolutely love it. Like this one is really like a lot of my Randy Dot Plans stickers that I was using in my Hobonichi Cousin. So it's not just Randy Dot Plans, but a lot of it is, and it's just a lot of like script stickers and headers and little like transparent icons that I love using in my planning, like from the planner spot, and then back here I start to get into like every Randy Dot Plans sticker that I own. Another reason why I love the disc organization system is because, see, this sheet is slightly smaller. I mean, it's perfect because I can move this around as I please. Like if I figure, if I want to rearrange the sections and how I have my stickers organized, I can do that without having to open and close rings and things like that. There was an empty page there, but it's just great. And as you can see, I am kind of very much so obsessed with Randy Dot Plan stickers. I love her stickers so much, particularly her month headers, her date covers. I just love them. So I have this smaller one set up for that. Then I've got another larger one from Cricut Paper Co. that just has a little bit more of the same stuff, but she also offers dividers as well. And I did have this a little bit more cleaned up. I'm not going to flip through every page, but it does have like a lot of icons and things like that. And again, it's just so easy because you can put the dividers in there. Yes, you can do the same thing with a binder, but again, moving around the pages is a lot easier on discs. Now, this is a system that I set up using Poi and Hun. Their disc system, I just switched out my disc for gold disc because at the time I needed bigger discs to put all of these pages on, and this is a lot of my Once More with Love and Coffee Monsters Co. stickers, and since those sheets are smaller, this size worked really, really well. The biggest key for me when you are shopping for a disc sticker storage system is to look at the count of the discs, right? Sometimes the sizing can be confusing because every shop does something different or names the size as something different. So just kind of be aware of that and make sure that you're ordering the wrong size, because twice now, I'm not perfect. I ordered the wrong size as well. But this is my sheet or my book that has all of the stickers, and see, Poi and Hun even offers the 4 pocket sheets, which is perfect for my samplers and things like that. And then I've got like all of my monthly stuff. I tried to keep this one as organized as possible. I don't have dividers for this one, so I just kind of try to keep like items together. So like all of my monthly things, and then we will head into weekly stickers. This was a lot for my Hobonichi cousin, but I can definitely use these in my plum paper vertical priorities because it is a little bit of a smaller planner, but I'm obsessed with this, and again, it fits this size of sticker perfectly. So I would definitely check out some accounts that use the same type of sticker organization and see if it is going to work for you as well. But this is just perfect for this size of sheet and keeping all of my little emojis and munchkins together, because I know like if I'm looking for this style of sticker, I know exactly what book I need to grab to get that sort of those icons and things like that that I want to use. So having your stickers really organized will really also help you keep a good inventory of what you have, and just kind of avoid buying like duplicates of things and things like that. I've also just got some extra sticker sheets over here in the back as well. I love using the large, actually these might be the medium Erin Condren sticky pockets, like just about everywhere. They're perfect to add a little pocket to any sticker storage organization that you may be putting together. All right, let's talk about the Planner Kate one. Now hers is a little bit larger. So the sticker book from Cricut Paper Co. has 8 discs, and the Planner Kate one is a 9 disc system. So these pages are fairly large. I believe she has multiple sizes, but I decided to go with the largest size for a multitude of reasons. She also sells dividers, and I just used my label maker to create some dividers. I can tell you right now, I'm probably going to order another one of these and put together another book. This is not the most organized just yet because I'm working on getting a lot of things out of binders and into a disc system. So I love the thick frosted cover. Probably gonna slap some more stickers on here. Just, I love this so much. I have ordered a ton of her name stickers. The other thing is a lot of the disc pages are inside loading, so your stickers are not going to fall out of these pages while you're flipping back and forth, if that makes sense. Let me just get some of these things out of the way so I can actually lay the book flat. So I just have that one up front because I have several planners that I'm going to put my name in, so that's going to be helpful. My first section is weekly, so I have like a lot of my weekly kits in here. I think I even added some Krissyanne Designs pages in here just to kind of show you guys how that would fit. But these are like basically my more recent Planner Kate orders, so you can see how the pages fit. There's still plenty of room there. Got a couple of empty pages because I just used a kit, but that's how this looks in here, and I fit several pages per sleeve. I don't just put one page per sleeve. This is what I did. I grabbed a sheet from Poi and Hun and I put it in here, and I put the journaling kits from Krissyanne Designs in here, and her smaller for her mini binder kits fit in these like 2-page pockets, and they're just perfect. And then you can see how her binder punch sheets fit in this page as well. This is why I went with the bigger 9 disc size from Planner Kate. And if you're interested in purchasing this disc system, I do have a coupon code with Planner Kate. It is JulieG20. I will put it down in the description of this video, but it is perfect. And I think this size is going to fit the most variety of sticker organization, because again, I can put these smaller sheets in here if I wanted to, because the spacing of the discs is always the same. It's just the number of the discs that will be different. So that's how the Krissyanne Designs stickers look in there. Then I move on and I have my daily pages. So I will say one thing, I cut off the top of the Planner Kate sheet here. It was just a little bit too tight for me, and I want everything in one book. I don't want to have a daily book and a weekly book. Like, I really want to get everything in here that I'm currently using and kind of get rid of the rest. And that's what I really love about the disc system, is that I can reorganize this. I left a lot of extra blank pages in here as I continue to organize. I have a monthly section, so this just has a whole pocket of just like monthly headers and just some monthly trackers. And again, I just left a ton of blanks in here, or empty pockets, so that I can use those later. Did the same thing with the icon, because again, this is a work in progress book, so I don't have all of my icon stuff over here. And then this is going to be more like miscellaneous, like individual sheets of things that I can pull from. And then also, because of our traveling and moving situation, this is going to be a lot easier to travel with as well, as opposed to a binder that might have like a little bit of a bulkier spine. And again, I'm just using the CAD one as an example. You know, the profile is definitely smaller on a disc system. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments if you have tried storing your stickers in discs before. I think that this is just, you know, a really, really great way to use, a really good storage system to use for your stickers. So I definitely recommend trying it. You'll have to let me know down in the comments if you have tried it, if you love it, what you're currently using. Let me know. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.